very excited because there's over 5,000 feet of lights lining all the trim all the way around the building. And in addition to that, we have 10 trees, 10 shrubs that we put lights on out here in the front that we hope that will add to the appeal. But mostly we wanted to make sure that the lights all the way around were visible to every resident's room. While they're isolated like this, this will give them a chance to see out and realize, hey, this is Christmas, we're not isolated from everybody else.
Right.
And still be a part of the season without feeling like I'm stuck in this facility and I can't go anywhere because of COVID. Normally we have a very robust recreation program where they go on activities and they get to participate in things, and COVID has shut all of that down this year.
Oh man.
So this allows us to show our appreciation to the veterans, make them know they're loved, and that Christmas is a time that we can all kind of come together and enjoy some of the same things we've always enjoyed. A lot of these veterans had homes that they decorated, and that's one of the things they've missed, is not being able to have the outside of their home decorated, and this is their home. Marabella's provided a great service for us here at the Banyan Veterans Home. We've decided that we need to do a little more for the veterans this year based on COVID and the restrictions that they've been under. And one of the things that we wanted to make sure that we did was find ways to cheer them up and make them feel less isolated than they have. And this year, while also decorating here inside of the Veterans Home as we always do, we thought we'd give it a feel like they're at home by having outside Christmas lights as well that they can see from their windows and that they'll be able to enjoy and feel that Christmas spirit this year. Marbella has been a great partner in this project, and I think that they would benefit any residential or commercial business that wanted to show the Christmas spirit. I think they would be a wonderful partner to bring that about.